Knee replacement is a common surgery that only continues to become more common. Many of us will probably go through it ourselves due to osteoarthritis or old age. Or perhaps someone you know gets bone cancer in their upper shin. Knee replacement helps in both of these scenarios. But the person still struggles to return to everyday life because they can't extend their knee. They struggle to get to work, can't hang out with family or friends, and can't do the physical activities they love. Current treatment for reduced knee extension includes physical rehabilitation. However, this is a lot of work for physiotherapists, both physically and time-wise. It would be easier for both patient and doctor if there was something that could automatically extend and flex a person's knee while walking. Knee replacement requires surgeons to cut through what is known as the knee extensor mechanism, a group of muscles, bones, and tendons that allow a person to extend their knee and slow the flexion of it. This can result in reduced mobility and reduced gait symmetry. But what exactly is gait symmetry? Well, it's how close one leg's movements matches the other. Asymmetry can lead to injuries to the preferred leg and reduce balance. This is where powered knee exoskeletons come in. Think of it like a knee brace with a physical power boost that Iron Man gets from his suit. They have been shown to increase knee extension and gait symmetry in patients. So my research aims to observe whether these exoskeletons can improve knee extension and gait symmetry after a person's knee has been replaced, since exoskeletons have been little studied with this population. I first put the exoskeleton onto the participant. Then, as they walk, knee movements are recorded using motion capture cameras, similar to the ones used in movies or video games. At the same time, I measure how much force the patient applies to the ground using 2 force plates embedded within the walkway. This allows me to observe joint angles, joint forces, and gait symmetry. Early data I have collected has shown that exoskeletons can improve a person's knee extension. With more visits, it has the potential to improve gait symmetry and perhaps even increase walking speed. Because this data was promising, we plan to expand our group of research patients. Exoskeletons can help with physical rehabilitation. They can help health practitioners save time and energy. By investing into the research of powered exoskeletons, we could help millions of people with knee replacements, osteoarthritis, and other knee issues. That way, they'll be able to once again be independent, spend time with loved ones, and return to the physical activities they love.